Ha?
Majagin pa ko.
May...
Nak, ipati mo tarong nak, Adriel.
Hello, good morning everyone. Today is Sunday. It's Mother's Day. Shout out to all the beautiful mother out there, including me. Okay, let's go fishing na naman. So, good luck to all the moms for today. Hopefully you have a good day celebrating your mom. So, children, just look after your mom. Okay? Alright. See you in the next video.
Bilahan ni Papi. Bilaha. There we go. Full of fish, guys. Full of fish. A lot of fish here. Look at this. Oh, first catch. My little Queenie. My big Queenie. That's my catch, guys. So. Okay na. Guys, full of fish here. Look at that. If the bird is here, the fish is here also. Look at that. Darwin Harbor, guys. Darwin Harbor. 6 miles. Okay, let's go. Let's go Rumbo. Okay, out there. Woo! Kung pa gani sila kakuha, oh. Ako ra gid tayo nakakuha, guys. Only me catch one queenfish. Asa, the other fisherman, the other boat is coming. Guys, look, go na, attack, oy. Attack fisherman. Dagana nila, eh. Di man nakuha ang isda, guys. Attack mga boat. Lots of boat here. Look at that. Yeah, green boat is here. Look at that. It's hard to chase the fish, guys. So you need timing. Oh my God, it's a lot of like a boat here. Okay, back off, back off. Mga sorbetero, guys. Mayaw. Kana, hawak na ang bit. Smile. Ay, kuha wala. Hawak ang bit sa bawat galaw mo. Guys, big tide, guys. Big tide. We're waiting for big tide.
We are big time.
Uwi na sana kami.
Normal ba?
Sige. Go, go. Ah! Yeah! Big one! Hawak na ang beat, hawak na ang beat. That's for today, guys. So it's not bad. We have queenfish, golden snapper, we have Spanish tag, and yung yan, that's lapu-lapu. May dalawang moonfish, alumos na yan. Luto na siya, guys. Yan. Luto na siya. Titik lang natin. Niluluto natin. Oy! Oh, boy! The blue bone fish agad asok. Ah! Yes! Nandito na yung golden snapper natin, guys. At saka ito yung queen fish na huli natin kanina. At saka ito yung blue bone fish, guys. So, pwede na. Let's eat na, mga guys. At parisan na yung bahaw. O, pwede na. Mother's Day na. Okay. Alright, kain na na. Let's eat.
Nice again set up. Go.
Happy Mother's Day to all the mommy. Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mommy like me. Okay.
Period.
Alright, kain na na. Apil ang food ay.
Pinafood.
Is that?
Yeah.
It's
Our
the-
cats for
what's your
today. Cats for Mother's Day. We have golden snapper. This is queenfish, kinilaw, and then this is the blue bone fish that we catch this morning. All is fish, guys. Only the eyes is not fish. Is that fish? Okay, tara, mga na ta. Hey! Okay.
Picture video. Video na.
Picture pero rin. Happy Mother's Day to me. Hala, guys, oh.
Ano sa'yo? Believe na ba yan si Titia?